I wrote this down already, but for those who doesn't know, I made a big oversight when we were trying to compute for the total for the total strokes of actually who won. So I made a miscalculation on the assignment of the slope on the course. So I thought that he actually won by a few strokes. But then when I recalculated, it came out that there was a triple tie. There was a triple tie for the lowest stroke. For the club championship, it was actually between Pat, Edwin, and Alan. And of course, we had to break the tie since we are not able to do a playoff anymore. So when Alan gave me $100, I
Mabigat daw.
So when we did the count back using the NCGA rule for tiebreak, he still won. He still won by a tiebreak. So he deserved it.
Dedication, it is really, itong trophy ito, I cannot speak English something. Nakita nyo, it started in 2000. That's 24 years ago. Tumatayo pa. So, Alan, pangalagaan mo ito kailangan nakakulong ito nakalagay sa air condition.
You didn't have to give it to me, but thank you. I'd like to take this opportunity. Look at those names in the trophy. Past champions like the President, Mr. Govan, Santa Ines, Archie, Pagsik, Nick, Mr. Ed Simeon, and Mr. June Kimson. And Bob, our defending champion, honey. What I take from this is I am privileged, and I would like to give thanks because, first of all, I didn't expect this to win this year. Last year, I was ready. I actually had my speech last year. I mean, my wife can attest. When you play for Paga, you're in good company, and I appreciate that. Those past champions and all the members have become my friend and my family. Every time we play, my wife was like, "It's only 4 o'clock in the morning." I'm so excited. Just to be with the guys. Just like what our president says, the camaraderie, the jokes, the braggings. I mean, I know when we have tournament, I'm just in a good place. No matter who rides in my car for carpooling, no matter how much golf course fee is, no matter how much Edwin, please, next time yung mura-mura naman na dinner natin. But my wife never complained. So I'd like to give my wife thanks. When we have a tournament, she doesn't ask, "Where are you going?" Because she knows already. I get excited. She doesn't ask what time I'm going or how much to spend. She goes like, "Mahal, nag-enjoy ka ba?"
This is why you're champion.
But, thank you, Yogi. Because if it's still Manong Ciso, our director, I would never be a champion. Every tournament. And I don't know what to say as far as golf. I'm more thankful about the group as a whole.
That was a timer.
Here's what I'm gonna say though. will try hard for it next year to play better, and actually, I intend to repeat next year. Sorry, Pat. Sorry, Edwin, you had your chances. You didn't have to give it to me. No. So I can be sure having this trophy. You know? Because this year is just out of nowhere. But I'm so happy and honored and privileged next to my friends. Yo, Nick, always looking forward for next year, and you get better at practice because I'm planning on winning next year again.